past 1 week. So today, I'm really happy to see that this 6th Meghalaya Game that we have been able to set a new benchmark for the Meghalaya Games. But only the appreciation and gratitude to each and everyone who have been a part in making this 6th Meghalaya Game a huge success. I would like to thank the President of the dignitaries on the dais and of the dais, to all the participants and to each and everyone present here today in this closing ceremony. At the beginning, I still remember last year in Jylla, when we began to host the next edition of Meghalaya Games. I know it's a huge challenge because we never have hosted an event of this scale. But today, I'm so happy and so proud because of the collective effort of each and everyone. Today, we are gathering here for this closing of 6 Meghalaya Games. So today, I'll request to each and everyone, especially the participants, ask it out to those who have been a part in making this 6th Meghalaya Games a huge success. I will urge you to please give them a round of applause.
Different part of the state, especially from the 3 regions, Khasi, Garo, and Jylla, they are coming together and celebrate and take part in this 6th Meghalaya Game. Yung Giromba Haka Sport is the only event kabila Manelong Kumshipara. One of the Meghalaya Haka Formula Nielero, Andre Galadem, ïaka Bora Alien. That is the spirit of sportsmanship here. Now, I would like to inform you, the state government, we are not just having a Meghalaya Game, we are building the future of our youth in the future generation. Sakaway, nakuha ng kanaypi, narikin mau, hakipraan, ikindais them, ibalay. Ka-sport department, kijong ward the minor department in the state. Handre, hakitingin lang ng MD government, honor leadership of our Chief Minister Conrad K. Sanma. Manta kalalong the major department. Mencuang-cua katrot hagwile the budget. Handre at least for the last 6 years, the Sorkar to improve hagwile ang barok hagwile but the sport infrastructure. Nakuha ang pitit gabi, kasorga, kastedyo ni, hindi no, kaway na gadala, kababundo, kiatro dito, walang igay, kasted, Marindo. Ka-sports, ang jylla department, bagi sorkar, nilang kaway na jilmot, kumong tadrong, yagi yun ikaw ni, kanang kinumpoy, into a different height, into a different level. Sa kaway, napagparo, kaging sango, yagi nang datiya ikaw ni, nanong kasi, pagkipudiyang, pagkiwagam, yagi athletics, hadong mapagas ni, don, kano-kano, kaging kanyong, don, kaging sa konvensyon kani gaday the spirit of game and sport sa kastet kagawin. Ano ko discipline? Muna ba ng hinyele tanggol job? Hindi, we don't understand. But to me, we are the fighters, the future youth of our generation and the future leaders of our state. Kung walang manta sa gawin, the greatest achievement ng state dong ni hapok katukan ni manan ni construct ka football stadium hamukanu Berhanonek City, the biggest football stadium in the country, kan sedang menghasilkan council show. Kaya na kung sebentar gift yagi yun kijamni. Sa kawalo, i-focus sa kanyang mga sport. Nado ka football, nado ka cricket, belum major. Handai isyo sorong, banong. Hakani kami kalihatin. Don katukan di distrik, kilaban sim, kan kumbukis nga ubit. Ikan bo sarsun, ikan bo kano-kano pressure. Sa kaway, kemawa, indang pagkaway katong. Dan bigyan mo, pagkatugas ni ibilang na opening ceremony, Chief Minister Ujjomi, na mapagan kita buti kilina, when is and where the next Meghalaya Games. Hanay ko apa nito, kan kumulong ta, mimpat ikinabag pulong, naman, iya fight, matwanra, iya national game, hawaraja, abunyaw, hanggang state kidogi. Dahil na nakakadaw, mimpat ikiner, iya next Meghalaya Games. Naman, rinyo man host, iya national game, doon ka man minimum arsenal, system, banglong ka success, kung sukses, magaling Meghalaya Games.